Please give it up for Patrick, David, Ruth. We are the Birds. Oh, sorry. I'd like you to raise a glass, please, if you may, to the Queen.
The Queen!
That was crazy cosmic jive. There's a starman waiting in the sky. He'd like to come and meet us, but he thinks he'll blow our minds. There's a starman waiting in the sky. He's told us not to blow it, but he knows it's always wrong. He's talking, let the children lose it. Let all the children use it. Let all the children boogie. Had to phone someone so I picked on you. Hey, that's correct. So you heard him too. Switch on the TV. We may pick him up on channel 2. Look out your window, I can see his light. If he may sparkle, he may land tonight. Don't tell your papa, or he'll get his laptop in tonight. There's a starman waiting in the sky. He'd like to come and meet us, but he thinks he'd blow our minds. There's a starman waiting in the sky. He's told us not to blow it, but he knows it's all worthwhile. He's choking. Let the children lose it. Let all the children use it. Let all the children boogie. Starman waiting in the sky. He'd like to come and meet us, but he thinks he'll blow our minds. There's a starman waiting in the sky. Told us not to blow it, but he knows it's all worthwhile. He's telling, let the children lose it. Let all the children use it. Let all the children boogie. La 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 la.
The ending needs some work. Thank you. Thank you. That was a song of course, by David Bowie, who we sadly lost in January. One of many one of many that we've lost. We're going to play a song now by a Manchester band, which, considering myself and Patrick from Leeds, is almost tantamount to sacrilege. However, they're not bad. They're not bad. Wonderwall.
Should somehow realize what you gotta do. I don't believe that anybody feels the way I do about you now. Fact is, the word is on the street, with the fire in your eyes out. I'm sure you've heard it all before, but you never really had a doubt. I don't believe that anybody feels the way I do about you now. Along the roads we had to walk the winding, and all the light that leaves us there is blinding. There were many things that I'd like to say to you, but I don't know how. Gonna be the one that saves me. And after all, you're my Today was gonna be the day, but they'll never go back to you. By now you should have somehow realized what you're not to do. I don't believe that anybody feels the way I do about you now. And all the roads we had to walk the winding, and all the light that leads us there is blinding. There were many things that I would like to say to you, but I don't know how. I said maybe, you're gonna be the one that saves me. And after all, you're my wonderwall. I said maybe, you're gonna be the one that saves me. And after all, you're my wonderwall. My wonderwall.
I only had one prop to wear tonight, and I forgot to put them on. Sorry. I'd like to introduce a couple of people on stage first, because you might think that we're travelling professionals. Obviously one of us is a professional, but we're not going to say who that is. I'd like you to welcome, please, our cool guitarist on lead and bass guitar, David Hanson. Christmas present, apparently. Ruth has been playing learning drums for a little while, but she's only been practicing really hard since this was mentioned to her by Patrick in March. And Ruth thought she was going to learn 2 songs. Right? We're doing 10 altogether. So Mo Tucker, the Mo Tucker of Birdingbury. Some of you might need to Google that. Yeah! Ruth, everybody, thank you. And of course, our Director of Music, the Professor of Cunning, the Professor of everything at Warwick University, Pat Owen. A long time ago, back in 1978, I went to see the Jam at Leeds University, and I never thought for 1 minute that 38 years later that we'd be doing a Jam song live, or I would. But there again, Paul Weller didn't think that either, so look where he is. This is the Jam song. This is quite difficult. This is That's Entertainment.
Inside the walls and the cry of a contact. Lights going out and a kick in the balls. That's entertainment. That's entertainment. Sha la 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 la. Sha la 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 la. Sha la 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 la. Sha la 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 la. There's a street of slow time wandering, easy down with grace, a foreign Wednesday, watching the news and not eating your tea, a freezing cold glass and that's what the walls as is that entertainment, entertainment. Waking up at 6 a.m. on a cool one morning, opening the window and I'm breathing in petrol. And I'm in a battery hitting a nearby yard, watching the telly and thinking about your holidays. That's entertainment. That's entertainment. Sha la 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 la. Sha la 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 la. Sha la 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 la. Sha la 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 la. Waking up from bad dreams and smoking cigarettes, smelling a walker and smelling self-perfume. Until midday and stitching like tarmac, Jesus and people far away. That's entertainment. That's entertainment. Sugar in the kitchen at this stream of midnight. Love of the little tranquility of solitude. Getting down and traveling on buses. Read the privilege of our slices of fish. That's entertainment. Sha la 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 la. Sha la 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 la. Sha la 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 la. Sha la 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 la.
I nearly got it right. I nearly got it right.
You didn't notice.
I didn't have much to do in that one either. Right. How's it going so far?
Great!
Have we dampened your enthusiasm? No. Honestly, it's a great view. In fact, probably deserves a picture. Just bear with me a second. Yeah. Well, and the rain's held up as well, which is fantastic, isn't it? And we're all having a good time. We've all had a nice picnic. Cheese, please. That's really good. Just show me about that house in the background. Controversial, sorry. Right, we're going to play a song by an American artist, very famous for his large teeth and blonde hair. It's not Bugs Bunny. This is a song by Tom Petty and the Heartbreakers, and it's called Free Fallin'.
She's a good girl, loves her mama, loves Jesus, and America too. She's a good girl, crazy about Elvis, loves horseshoes, and a boyfriend too. It's a long day, living in Rosita. There's a freeway running through the yard, and I'm a bad boy. The mister, I'm a bad boy, breaking all the heart, and I'm free. I'm free falling.
Yes, I'm free.
I'm free falling. All the vampires run through the valley from west down Ventura Boulevard, and all the bad boys standing in the shadows, and all the good girls are home making toys, and I'm free. I'm free falling.
Yes, I'm free.
I'm free falling. Free falling now, free falling now, free falling now, free falling.
Gonna glide down over Mulholland. I'm gonna ride her in the sky. I'm gonna free fall out into nothing. Gonna leave this world for a while. Thank you. Thank you very much. Wish we had more songs now. Right, this is where we do a bit of audience participation. Easy for me to say. Right, when David introduced this group to me, a group called the Black Eyed Peas, I had no idea what he was talking about. Right, so I listened to proper music.
No.
Oh, that was a bit of a dead reaction, wasn't it? Right, so this is the Burgundy Rap, okay, to the tune of music by will.i.am, okay, words, lyrics by David Hansen, over here to my right. So how this is going to work, I think, is that we're going to start off nice and steady, nice and slow, and the words should be in your song sheet. Got that? Okay, and we're going to do it. Okay. Just join in where you can, but particularly with the chorus. Yeah. Ready to join in? I got a feeling gonna be a good night. Tonight's gonna be a good night. Tonight's gonna be a good night. I got a feeling that tonight's gonna be a good night. That tonight's gonna be a good night. That tonight's gonna be a good night. Here we go. I drink some beer, I go wheeling just once a year. I'm on the wreck, I'm on the grass, go down the slide, fall on my feet. And I do it, I do it, I do it, I do it, and I do it, I do it, I do it, I do it, and I do it, I do it, I do it, I do it, and I do it, I do it, I do it, I do it, I do it. Testing David there, just testing. I can't hear you, I hope you can hear us. There's a lot of chords in this. I got a feeling that tonight's gonna be a good night. Tonight's gonna be a good night. Tonight's gonna be a good night. I got a feeling that tonight's gonna be a good night. That tonight's gonna be a good night. That tonight's gonna be a good night. Circle, there's no escape. I really like their tea and cake. I go fishing and catch that one. I don't care, it's just great fun. The Billy's bobbing, oh what a sight. Another burger, well I just might. Birdie Berry, we have our ways, but once you're here, you're here to stay. And I do it, I do it, and I do it, and I do it, I do it, I do it, I do it, and I do it, I do it, 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 and I do it, do it, do it, do it. Thank you. Ladies and gentlemen, thank you for your patience and understanding. Thank you very much. I've broken the microphone stand in my excitement. That's it for us. Would you please give it up for Mo Tucker, Ruth on drums, Ice Cool, David Hanson, bass, Professor of Everything, Patrick Bunwin on acoustics and vocals. And yours truly. Thank you very much. Thank you.
We might see you later.
They can relax now.
Hi, there is lyrics to give you for
More?
network.
We've got these separate ones, additional lyrics. Oh, thank you. That's exciting.